Dell Inspiron Gaming PC Desktop AMD Ryzen 7 2700. Reviewed discount unbox and setup. Transitioning from Mac to PC. First tried out the Dell G7 with similar processor. It ripped through red raw footage no problem. The G7 crushes my currently maxed out 2017 iMac, which prompted me to buy this Dell Tower. Having 6 cores greatly increases performance when editing with Adobe apps. 16GB RAM is a nice sweet spot, more is better, 16 is nice. In this machine upgraded to 1TB M.2 system drive. Overall the system is quick, quiet and packs a punch. Pairs with a 28-inch Dell monitor. 2 corrections to reviews below. No, you can't build this system under $500 with same specs. This is a 3.2 GHz processor with a boost to 4.6 GHz. Really great specs for the price. Runs very smooth and quiet, setup was a breeze. Runs Photoshop Cloud very well. Tested on a few virtual world applications, also ran very smoothly. Heavy-duty gamers may want more juice, but if you're looking for a decent out-of-the-box machine for a moderate price point, this is hard to beat. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.